Hi everyone, it's Sam from the Bodycentre here. Welcome to our YouTube channel. The Bodycentre is an accident repair and vehicle refinishing centre based in Norfolk. We have a passion for repairing and customising vehicles to the highest standard possible. Come with us behind the scenes and follow our journey. Hello everyone, Sam for the Bodycentre here. As you can see, we have something extremely special on site this week. It's been sent over from our friends at Appreciating Classics. We have the Lamborghini Diablo SV, finished in the gorgeous blue scuro. I think that's how you pronounce it, but it's purple anyway, so I don't know why it's called blue. We're doing quite a lot of work to this Lamborghini. We're going to be repainting the whole front end. We've got a lot of stone chips on there. We've got a lot of cracking of the paintwork. The front bumper's also been done previously, which isn't the best colour match, so we're going to be sorting that out as well. The engine cover with the scoops, it's got a few little cracks around there, so that's going to be coming off, sorting that out, repainting that. All four wheels, they're going to be repolished and the centres repainted. The brake calipers, they're going to be removed, prepped down, and they're going to go body colour. So I'm sorry for any fanatics out there, this isn't going to be staying original, but if you are a true fanatic, it's not original already, because as you can see, the centres of the wheels are actually black. They're supposed to be a dark grey, which was done obviously before Appreciating Classics bought the car. So yeah, there's quite a lot to do. Let's get behind the scenes. Let's go see Nelly in Strip and Fit and watch him take this car apart. Let's go. We are now in the strip and fit stage with the Diablo SV. Nelly's now got the whole thing apart. The bumper's off, the bonnet's off, the lights are out. I'm in the middle of a video, so I'll stop this now because Lewis is shouting. So as you can see, guys, we are now in the strip and fit stage with the Diablo SV. Nelly's now finished the strip down. The bumper's off, the bonnet's off, the lights are out, and the engine cover's off. It wasn't too bad to strip down, to be fair. It's very fiddly. No rusty bolts under there. It's in real good condition. So yeah, off to the next stage, guys. Hope you're enjoying the video. Please keep watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'd really appreciate that as well. Let's go. guys, we're now come to the end of the video. This Lamborghini Diablo is an absolute pleasure to work on. and we are huge fans of the colour here. It's come out absolutely great. Massive thanks to ACL for sending another absolute beauty up here. I'd really appreciate it if you guys would like this post, comment on this post, share this post to all your social media pages. To help us grow, we have a lot of custom projects coming up. As you all know, Jake has joined me now in the social media team, so the videos are going to be a lot more frequent, and there's going to be a lot more sort of different ones coming out. Hope you guys are enjoying the channel. Please hit that bell button so you see our videos first, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. That would help us out massively. Thank you guys, see you next time.